Harvey, James here from Kicks Miami, and I'm back there another review. In front of me, I have a pair of shoes that could be somewhat Grail status. As you can see from the box, I'll show you, it is the Jordan 3 Soleflies. So super excited to obviously have them, and I think Solefly did a really good job with this release. As you know, they've had a couple of different Jordan collabs now over the years, obviously one of them being the Jordan 1. When they released that one, it was essentially a Google Doc form that you filled out and anybody could kind of pump as many emails into it as possible. Probably wasn't the fairest way of doing it. But now they actually use Runfair this time, which I thought was really cool. And not only that, but they also split that Runfair up into kind of 3 or 4 different raffles. They had like the in-store release that you could sign up for if you wanted to, if you live close by. And then also like a locals only, which I think kind of really just brought in either the South Florida people or maybe the Miami people, and then obviously kind of the rest of the country. So I was able to win them through obviously the locals only. So super kind of happy that I got my hands on them. So before I can actually take the shoe out of the box, if you could please hit that subscribe button, I really would appreciate it. And then also follow me along at Kicks Miami on Instagram and other socials. Okay, so obviously it comes in a nice orange box with branding both on the top where you see the Solefly, and then you get that little SF logo on the side. So I'm gonna take the shoes out of the box, we'll take a look at them and we'll see what you think. Okay, so here it is. Here is the Solefly Jordan 3. So it comes in a nice white leather, and then you're gonna get these orange and green detailing. So the shoe is fruits of your labor. So anybody who's kind of lived in the Miami area would know that, well, South Florida as a whole, farming in terms of like fruit and stuff has been a big part of the area and the culture, but also kind of if you're ever at a stop sign or a junction on the kind of the highway, getting off, you'll see a lot of people selling different fruits, citruses, oranges, kind of a lot of different stuff. And a lot of times they kind of show those kind of orange and green colors in terms of the fruit. So that's obviously kind of one relation to the colorway, but obviously the one that everybody is going to probably think of and see is obviously the Miami Hurricanes, who are going to be playing in the national championship in football kind of in the coming days. So that's obviously the biggest thing, and that's where we originally saw the shoe, was one of the Hurricanes games, worn by the owners as well as some other people. So nice white leather, and then kind of like the amount of green and orange on them I think is a good amount. They did have some samples that they kind of wore on the day of release from some of the different people in the shop, and they had some variations with a lot more orange on, a lot more green on, but I think in terms of the colorway that released, I think this is kind of the best one that it kind of comes with. So again, you get kind of the green kind of on the toe, right toe, and then you get the orange green Nike Air sign on the back, and then you get imprinted with that Solefly logo, the new logo kind of in the heel of the shoe, which is a nice little touch. Comes with then both green and orange laces if you do want to do the lace swap, as opposed to the white one that's in the mid and already kind of comes with it. I think I'm going to stick with the regular white and just kind of leave the other two in the bags for now. But overall, really good kind of release, much smoother than the kind of other ones they've had. They also released them exclusive to a couple of students who came to one of their kind of like food fest, soul fest things that they did held in Miami, which I think was a nice touch. If you came with your valid student ID for UM or any of the local universities, you kind of got exclusive access to them. So I think they did a really good job of getting these into the hands of both the local community here in Miami, but also kind of just in terms of a release as a whole, I think they did a good job. So I will take some closer photos, and I'll also take some on-foot shots at some point. But let me know what you think, have any questions, but make sure please you hit that subscribe button, and I'll be back again with another review soon.